established with a vision to innovate and lead in the industrial sector. Infused Systems Pvt Ltd. stands at the forefront since 2019. We have been dedicated to delivering cutting-edge solutions and services that redefine industry standards worldwide. At Infused Systems, we understand that every industry has unique challenges and requirements. That's why our dedicated sales team is here to collaborate closely with you. We offer personalized consultations to understand your specific needs and provide tailored solutions that align perfectly with your goals. Our design department plays a pivotal role in transforming concepts into reality, ensuring that each product and solution meets the highest standards of functionality, aesthetics, and user experience. Our multidisciplinary team of designers brings together expertise in product design, user experience design, and industrial design. We are committed to conducting groundbreaking research that addresses current challenges and anticipates future needs. Welcome to the heart of operational excellence at Infused Systems Pvt Ltd. Our process department plays a crucial role in ensuring efficiency, reliability, and innovation across all facets of industrial operations. Our process department specializes in process design and optimization, lean manufacturing, quality management, and supply chain integration. Our manufacturing department is at the forefront of precision and innovation and is driven by a mission to excel. Our manufacturing department offers a diverse range of capabilities and robotics, quality assurance, and flexibility manufacturing. Driven by a culture of continuous improvement and customer centricity, we leverage state-of-the-art technology and industry expertise to stay ahead of evolving market demand. Our dedicated team of professionals ensures seamless integration of our solutions from concept to implementation, ensuring unparalleled customer satisfaction. This is the cornerstone of reliability and customer satisfaction. Our quality department is dedicated to upholding the highest standards of excellence in every aspect of our operations. Quality is more than a promise. It's a core value ingrained in everything we do. Adheres to key principles including quality management systems, continuous improvement, supplier quality management, and customer feedback. This is the hub of precision and efficiency at our company. Our assembly department is dedicated to transforming components into high-quality products with meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. With a state-of-the-art facility and a skilled workforce, we specialize in delivering assembly solutions that meet the most demanding industry standards. We excel in a wide range of assembly capabilities, including panel making, mechanical assembly, testing of machines, PLC panel and programming, laser cutting machines, electrical assembly, and custom assembly solutions. Our vision is to lead the way through innovation, sustainability, and excellence. Looking ahead, we see Infused Systems as a catalyst for driving transformation through innovation and collaboration. Our vision guides us in navigating complexities, seizing opportunities, and creating sustainable values. The dedication and expertise of our diverse team drive our success. Together, we uphold a set of core values that guide our actions, decisions, and interactions with customers, partners, and each other. Our team comprises talented individuals from various disciplines including engineering, manufacturing, R&D, sales and marketing, and support functions. Each team member brings unique skills, experiences, and perspectives that contribute to our collective success. Our core values are innovation, integrity, excellence, collaboration, customer focus, and sustainability. Our values are not just words on paper. They are integral to our daily operations and decision-making processes. Specializing in laser-based automation, Infused Systems Pvt Ltd offers a comprehensive range of solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Whether it's laser marking and welding machines, robotics, and traceability systems, our offerings are tailored to deliver superior performance, durability, and cost-effectiveness.